Today we've got some pretty high winds, so forgive me if it ends up getting mostly sound, mostly music over top of this video, but we've got a little bit of a pool going. Not really a big concern. As far as I know, this guy's waterproof. Anyways, I've got that, I picked up a bottle of some hydraulic stop leak, some magic fluid, so we're gonna pour that in this machine just to see if it helps. But I'm gonna get her fired up and let her warm up for a few minutes, and then we'll dive into some more concrete maneuvering. We'll try to get this place filled up a little bit more. Crap. So my dad was giving me a hand for a little while, and we made quite a bit of progress moving concrete. It was actually going great. Everything was moving along nice. I was using the back of the arm, the back of the backhoe to pick up concrete and move it over. A combination of using the chain and dragging some pieces where we had to. And we made quite a bit of progress. Like, there's lots of concrete. Still has to be pushed around and settled in place, but getting there. Like, the whole idea is to bury this stuff, so, you know, achieving my goals, yada yada yada. Well, then I had this, of all the pieces, the smallest piece, this guy here on top. We had a chain looped around that, and I had it slung up in the air, hanging off the back bucket, and I rotated the arm, and boom, big loud bang. The rear frickin' bearing exploded. This is the core from it. That's the part that the rear back arm swings on. Normally it'd be like, okay, yeah, it broke, whatever, yada yada yada. There's the center pin that this bearing fit on before and went up inside that cavity. Well, I put that bearing on. When I got the machine, there wasn't one. So I actually purchased a bearing. It cost me $400, and then you add tax to that, and it was $453 for the bearing. And now it's just in pieces on the ground. Oops, I guess. Suppose it maybe comes with the, I don't know what the word is now. Kind of comes with it, right? You buy a big machine, it's gonna have big problems potentially and cost you big bucks. But whatever, I'll get something going and we'll make this work. Now they're starting to close everything down locally, so hopefully I can find something before it's all shut down. Otherwise the back half of the backhoe is not going to be worth a whole lot to me in this project, but maybe once the ground dries up I can use the front bucket a bit more. Regardless, the wind is picking up and I'm cold, so I'm gonna call it and go inside.